Look at that clarity. Erie, PA, snow-strucken streets. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. The pro you need to know. About to make a right-hand turn right here on West 26th Street East. As soon as these cars go and give me the opportunity to do so. They're like slower than hamsters on a bad day. There we go, everybody. Now we can jump on. You always got that. Here, I'll pick it up a little bit, and then you got Mr. Jeepster to try to, just get out in your way. He is a Jeep, he got four-wheel drive. Good, he's at least trying to get out my way. Oh, he's running for the first lane. That's all good, bro. You're loud. You're loud. Erie, PA. West 26 heading west, or heading east. How you do it. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Yeah, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe as we try to continue to create good content on an everyday basis to the best of our ability, even when our day's not so great. We still try to push it along like we're having a good one. I think that'd be my best way. Watch this, everybody. I'm going to show you how to do this. Let me show you how to do this. We're going to get it. Right here, we're going to get it. We're going to get it. This is the Bayfront right here. Erie, PA. Down around on the Bayfront, get you to the East Erie with all that 12th Street traffic. Kind of drop it down to the bottom and back up. Got to be careful of these exits. Sometimes that little bit, if you get off, it'll spin you right around. Be careful. To head on to West 12th Street, heading east. I would go right down to the Bayfront, but then we're going down to 6th Street to come back up to 10th. So if we get on 12th, we're only going down 2. Yep, this right here is 12th Street heading east, coming off of the Bayfront connector. This right here, first light that we're coming up to, that we're approaching now, is Green Garden. For those people that don't know, people who do know, just know. that in my notes real quick. Everybody, and he was gonna just blow by me like a freight train. But little does he know that this right here is a snow dozer. This baby's pretty much got tracks on it. Not, it don't have tracks, but you would swear it does. Snow dozer right here, boys and girls. This thing rides like an Escalade, but it's not. It's not an Escalade, but it's got a frame like a tank. I was looking at that baby the other day. I'm not even kidding. I could run out and get me a brand new F-250 like Sarasota Tim. I'm not going to try to do that. I don't think I can afford to live his lifestyle, even though I'm worth way more than he'll ever be worth. Just my equity worth. Doesn't mean I got it in my pockets, Tim. That being said, you think he'd stop begging? If he really begs as much as he does that I see, oh my goodness. I used to give him free coffees myself. I don't get it. Like I said, come take a ride with me. This right here is a snow dozer. This is a 2010 Cummins turbo diesel. I am a minimalist myself. I live in a sticks and bricks, and I have a rental. So I kind of set myself up. I get pre-retirement right now, you might call it. I don't know. I'm kind of setting myself up to where passive income's wonderful. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll bring you more fascinating content, the pro you need to know. Thanks again. God bless.